Okay, so oil change at 233,835 miles. And then I'll show you what oil I went with and why I typically use this one, though not all the time. Then I'll also show you a clip of the engine before the oil change. You can really hear the lifters ticking, and then hopefully that gets taken care of once you put in the new oil. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so while the oil is draining over there, I'm going to show you this. So I use Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 530. This is made from natural gas. Reason being, for a direct injection turbo, the natural gas makes it so your bearings don't coke when they get too hot. Coking usually just means it makes like engine sludge, and it physically can't do that with this. So it's much better long term, especially if you're going to use it for towing, hauling, that sort of stuff. And then I always use, as much as I can, the Motorcraft FL500S because it has the silicone valve. Silicone valve being the backflow preventer in here. So the backflow preventer. So here you can actually see it, that orange that's in there. Makes it so the oil, when you shut it off, doesn't flow back into here. It actually means that the oil will stay in the engine for startup, which means that you're not cold starting without oil. And which is why I like these filters. You can also buy any other filter that has these. I mean, probably be just as good. Project Farm does a whole thing on these Pennzoil full synthetics. This one happens to be $27 for 5 quarts. I usually buy 2 5-quarts, and that way I have 4 quarts left over for the next time. Then I buy another 5-quart. But this time I happen to have this since I was using the Kirkland brand the last couple oil changes. But yeah, so unless anything else comes up, that'll be basically the end of this video. Nothing too crazy. And then I'll do a before and after with the lifter noise and see if that gets better. Okay, so now we're restarting it after the oil change. That was 6,800 miles on that oil change at 70% reset on the oil life. So now let's listen to it start up. See if the lifter noise went away. Okay, oil pressure came on. Let it look through. Not really. Well, oil change is done. I'm going to do it for my normal test lap and call that good. When I come back, I'm going to grease all the upper lower ball joints, and then I'm going to start on the next vehicle.